Hey guys, I got a brand new package today. I have it here. It's from Balog Istvan from Hungary. And we traded. And maybe you saw the cans I sent him on his page, because he posted a picture of it. He got a little letter in it. He says, "Hello, thanks for the trade. I hope you like these drinks. Cheers, my friends. Greetings from Hungary." Thank you very much. I'm sure I will like them. They are pretty good packed. You can see that with the cardboard slices inside that the can cannot push together. The package, not the cans. The cans too, but there's no space. That's good. And I will get them all out. And then I will unpack them. So you can see that here, what we done. That's pretty good. And I will start with this one. Yes. This one is full. It's the Rockstar X-Durance Electric Fruit Mix with the 99 pence from UK. It's full. Then we go on with this. Oh no, not with this. Not with this. Then better with that first. Yes, that was a good decision. Also from UK, and also with 99 pence, and also new, the Rockstar Superstars Blue Raspberry. Also full. Also great. Good. And now that one. It's better that we kept that other can, because this is a little set. Starting with this Rockstar Energy Water Blueberry Pomegranate Decay from UK with 99 pence. Full. And now you will know it for sure when I said set. It's clear that I got the peach one too. Full from UK, 99 pence, or 98. Small cans, small price. And then he got me this rockstar who should go in, vote now on YouTube, the League of Rockstars, the original. It's bottom opened, and about that can I'm not sure. I think that's a gift. Gift. Thank you. I will see. This is also, I mean, I know which cans I ordered or we traded, so you saw them all, and I don't know what this is, so we will find out together. And I have to say, I hoped a bit for that now. I saw the pics he posted from that, and I was a bit jealous about, because we don't have that here. And as I saw it is an extra can while I'm packing out all of them, I hoped a bit for that. It's crazy. It's the Watt limited edition Pineberry and Guava. And this is really awesome. Full. Thank you very much for that one. That's awesome. It's cool. It was a gift. I'm happy about it totally. And I hope you enjoy the drinks like I do. And that was it already. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.